Hi, this is Cassie Nelson with Distinct Home Group and Keller Williams Greater Metropolitan. This home is at 1440 Warrick Drive in Ashtabula. This is a very spacious and well-maintained ranch home located just minutes away from Lake Erie on over 0.41 of an acre property in desirable Saybrook Township. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, an eat-in kitchen, dining room, family room, an extra living room with a fireplace, sunroom, extra first floor laundry room, and a 2-car attached garage. The fully fenced-in backyard features a large patio and a storage shed. The owner suite features a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath. Since purchasing, the owners have spent thousands of dollars on home improvements, making it the condition it is today. Updates include replaced windows, installed all new gutters, replaced the carpet throughout the whole home, added patio and walkway around the sunroom, replaced the front and back storm doors, painted the interior, replaced doorknobs and locks on the front and back doors, installed ceiling fans, replaced garage door opener with keypad and remote, and completed many other projects throughout. A detailed list of updates is available upon request. A new roof was also installed in 2014. Let's see, we are in the master bedroom right now, and there is your ensuite master bath with your shower, a little closet right outside of it. Your front living room, looking outside in the front yard. Dining room with nice big windows with lighting. Another view of your little entryway. Here's your eat-in kitchen. And then there is that extra large laundry room. There's a door that leads to the outside, and your garage is also in the laundry room. Your second living room space with a fireplace that leads to that sunroom. Fully fenced-in backyard. Nice windows and doors all along the sunroom. Nice patio. To schedule your private showing for this property, please give us a call at 440-568-0400.